In this video, I am going to show you how to change profile picture on Facebook without posting. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on the profile, which is present at the bottom center of your screen or on your tab bar. Now on your profile, you have to tap on the profile picture, which is present at the top left side of your screen. Now tap on select profile picture. So now from your gallery, you can very easily change your profile picture. So for example, I wish to use this picture. Now, if you want to change your profile picture without posting, you have to make sure that you disable the share your update to newsfeed option, which is present at the bottom side of your screen. Once you're done, you have to tap on save, which is present at the top right side of your screen. Once you tap on save, you will be able to easily change your profile picture on Facebook without posting. So now let's scroll down on my account and refresh it for a couple of times. Still, as you can see, there was no post which was posted on my Facebook account. So everyone, this is how you can change your profile picture on Facebook without posting. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.